If you need to write a will in the state of Virginia, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you exactly how to go about it so that it will be legally bound and no room for error. Let's have a look at it. So creating a will in the state of Virginia in the United States is actually relatively simple. We're going to go in with a heading, last will and testament, and you're going to state your own details. So your name, residing at your physical address in the country of the United States of America in this case, and in the state of Virginia. Declare this to be my last will and testament, and the first clause will revoke any prior wills. So whatever details were in those prior wills, this will now override all of them. You hereby revoke all prior wills and codicils. So the next section here is the appointment of executor. This basically means that you need to appoint somebody to oversee the will, and here you're going to just add the person's name, and this is the executor of this will. The next section is just making sure that you are distributing all of your assets, and you're declaring that all the assets you're distributing are as follows. So you're going to give a description of all the assets as well as whom to which they are going to, which is the beneficiary's name, and here you can add in or take away what you need. So you can add as many beneficiaries as you'd like and also as much detail as possible so that there's no room for error. We're also going to go in then just to close this off with the signatures of your own, yourself as well as your witnesses to witness that this will and testament is being declared. And we are going to just add in signatures and a date, and then optionally you can add in the witness's name if you feel so necessary. I hope this was helpful. Now, just a small disclaimer, I am not a legal representative, I'm not a lawyer, I am simply just sharing some advice, some personal opinion. So please, if you need any legal advice, make sure that you consult a lawyer, and make sure that you're consulting a lawyer within the state that you are residing in.